I'm into ready to wear, and most of the times I make use of invisible zipper. So I'm going to be showing you what I usually do before fixing my invisible zipper. So here, can you see? This is so this is what I have. Can you see? Here is my center back. So the back of this blouse is going to be a kind of panel back or panel blouse, as the case may be. This is the center back, and before I put my invisible zipper, I place my permanent hemming gum on it. Now, there are different types of hemming gum. This one is a permanent one. They call it permanent hemming gum. Okay, so this hemming gum is very good. I like to attach it to my center back before placing my zipper on it. Okay, and this, like I said, this is the permanent hemming gum. You know, this is like paper. So, but the real gum is at the back. Can you see? Here is not as smooth as here. Okay, so, and can you see, this is the usual hemming gum, the normal hemming gum for natives, for neckline, for, you know, all those things that you use for corsets and all. So this is the common ones that we use when it comes to our corset, our bustiers, and so on. So, but this type is a permanent one, and I don't know why they call it permanent. I don't know. So can you see? This is the real gum. This is the gum. So once you, and it looks a bit invisible actually. Can you see? It's perforated. So, but this, you won't be able to separate the two if there is no heat available. So what you do is, you know, it's because I've placed heat on it. That's why it's easy to open like this. Okay, so once you place it this way, then you place your iron. The iron is not hot too. They've even taken light, so I'm trying to on the gen now. So look at the iron. So you just, once the iron is hot, you place it on it, and as you place it on it, then it will melt the gum in between the gum itself, the real thing itself, and the paper. So this paper is like a kind of protector for it. So once the heat is on it, then it will be easy for you to separate it. So you just open this and just begin to, you know, open it up like this till you finish removing everything, and you can now, you know, iron it. So once you do that, your invisible zipper can be placed on it. So you don't need to even remove it. Let it just be there. So that is what I do, and it makes the zipper to sit very well, smoothly. So that's what I do. Thank you. Bye.